Hello dear students, this is Miss Damini Riang and I'm here today with your mathematics class on chapter number 1 entitled Integers. Now why do we need to study integer numbers? It is because integer numbers are useful in many places and in many ways. For example, when the weather is too hot, you read the temperature as 35 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees centigrade, etc. But in places like Kashmir, when the weather is too cold, we read the temperature as -2 degrees centigrade, -8 degrees centigrade, etc. So all these positive and negative numbers all together constitute the integer numbers. So integers are numbers with positive sign and negative sign. Positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 etc. and negative numbers such as -1, -2, -3, -4 etc. Apart from these numbers, there is a number 0 which is neither positive nor negative. Now let us represent the integers on a number line. The number at the midpoint is 0, which is also known as the origin, and it is neither positive nor negative. The numbers on the right are the positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we put an arrow because there are many more numbers after 6. The numbers on the left are negative numbers such as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Then we put an arrow because there are many more numbers after -7. Keep in mind that when you draw a number line, if the distance between two numbers is 1 centimeter, the other distances should be 1 centimeter as well. And if the division between two numbers is 2 centimeter, the rest of the divisions between other two numbers should be 2 centimeter as well. Now let us represent few numbers on the number line. Say the numbers are -2 plus 3. Here is your -2. Now the next number is +3. Now if the number is positive, what we usually do is we go towards the right side. Now if the number is negative, then we go towards the left or the left hand side. So here what we have to do is from -2 we will go towards the right. How many places? 3 places because it's +3. So your answer is 1. So -2 plus 3 is equal to 1. The next number is 2 minus 3. Now what we have to do? Here is your 2 and then it's -3. Now since for minus we go towards the left, so we will go towards the left 3 places. 3 places, it gives the answer as -1. So -1 is your answer. 2 minus 3 equals to -1. Now for -2 minus 3, here is your -2. We go 3 places towards the left from -2 and the answer is -5. Since I did not represent -5 before, so I am writing it now. And your answer is -5. The next numbers are 2 plus 3. Here is your 2, then it's +3, so we will go towards the right 3 places and your answer will be 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. The next number is -2 plus 2. Here is your -2, then it's +2. Since it's plus, so we will go towards the right. There is 2 places since it's +2 and your answer is 0. And -2 plus 2 is equals to 0. -3 plus 3 is also 0. -4 plus 4 is also 0. So that implies that if a number is subtracted from a positive similar number with similar values, the result will give us 0. Let us now study some basic rules of addition and subtraction. Say there are two numbers a and b. A is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. The first type is 2 plus 3. That is, both are positive numbers. So when it is 2 plus 3, there is a positive sign in front of 2, but if there is a positive sign, we don't need to represent it. So therefore 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. And the next type of number is 2 minus 3. Now as for 2 minus 3, what we will do is we will represent it in a number line and see what the answer comes. This is your number line, this is your origin, these are the divisions. Left hand side are the negative numbers, right hand side are the positive numbers. The first number is 2, so here is your 2 and then -3. Since it is minus, we will come towards the left 3 places towards the left and the answer is -1. So your answer will be -1. So now we can see here is that If the numbers are 2 minus 3, what we will do is we will subtract the numbers, but we will put the sign of the bigger number. Here the sign in front of the bigger number is minus 1, so therefore in front of 1 we will put a minus sign. So therefore your answer is minus 1. Next, for minus 2 plus 3, see the bigger number 3 here have positive sign, so we will do subtraction here as usual in a number line. Here is your negative numbers, this is your minus 2 and then plus 3, so 3 places towards the right, 1 2 3, and your answer is 1. Your answer comes as 1. So see, notice here that in front of the bigger number 3 the sign is positive, so your answer will be plus 1. It will not be minus 1, but the answer will be plus 1. Now if there is a plus symbol in front of any number, we don't need to represent the plus symbol, we will keep it as it is. The next number is minus 3 minus 2. Now when you have two minus symbols, what we will do is we will add both the numbers. That is 3 plus 2 equals to 5. But the bigger number have minus symbol, so we will put a minus in front of the result. Next is the basic rules of multiplication and division. Say there are two numbers a and b. B can be any number, say 3 and a is equal to 2. You can take any number as you like. Now for multiplication, we will first deal with plus into plus. Now here it says multiplication and division, but here you have plus symbol, so you will put it under bracket and the multiply will be in between. So plus into plus is plus. Example, say you have a number 2. Since it is a plus symbol, you don't need to put it into 3 equals to 6. So there will be no negative sign here. The answer will be plus 6. But you don't need to represent the plus, so write only 6. The next rule is minus into plus. Now since here you have minus and here you have plus and there is an into symbol in between, what you will do is you will neither subtract nor add, you will just multiply the numbers, such as minus into plus equals to minus. Let us solve an example, minus 2 into plus 3. So we will put minus within a bracket. We do not put 3 within a bracket because we do not represent the plus symbol, so 3 2s are 6. But the symbol will be minus because minus into plus is minus. For the next rule, plus into minus. So plus into minus equals to minus. So let us see an example, 2 into minus 3. So what we will do here is 3 2s are 6, but since the result is minus, so therefore the answer is minus 6. I'm sorry, I put a bracket. Since it is only a single number, you don't need to put the number under a bracket. The next rule is minus into minus. So minus into minus is plus. How? Let us see an example, minus 2 into 3. Now what we will do, we will put minus 2 and minus 3 within a bracket because it says basic rules of multiplication and division. But here we have minus symbol, so minus 2 into minus 3 equals to 6, which is a positive number, and it is not minus 6. Next comes the basic rules of division. Number 1, plus divided by plus equals to plus. Example, 2 divided by 3 equals to 2 by 3 itself. The next rule is plus divided by minus. For example, 2 divided by minus 3. So here the result symbol will be overall minus 2 by 3. The next rule is minus divided by plus. For example, minus 2 divided by 3. Here the result will be minus as well, minus 2 by 3. For the fourth rule, minus divided by minus. For example, minus 2 divided by minus 3. What happens here is both the minus and minus will get cancelled out and the number becomes a positive number, that is 2 by 3. Have you noticed that for basic rules of multiplication and division, when the symbols are similar, the end result is always positive, but when the symbols are different, the end result is always negative. So that's all for the introductory part of chapter number 1, that is integers. In our next class, we will be solving few exercise questions starting from exercise 1.1. So till then, take care, be safe, and bye-bye.